Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree this morning. Let's check out some Mother's Day stuff. And I see there's some summer stuff out, so let's get to it. So here, if you want to put together a basket, they have these little makeup puffs, sleep masks. They have these floral eye masks. Those are super cute. They have some Rose Essential Fizz Bombs, makeup sponges. We got the jade rollers. This one looks like a 3-in-1 tool for cleansing and exfoliating, and some cleansing oil as well. We have these cute fans, these little roses that light up. And we have like the little petty kits, hair scrunchie, the combs, exfoliating gloves, and then the more pedicure sets. These nice little loofahs, this cute little picture frame that's adorable. And they have like these little mama bags. Go on this side. These are really cute to put your earrings and rings in. Like these little bottles, candle holders, and these colorful mason jars and cups. These are really cute to buy the stickers and do the crafts with those as well. I'm a big fan of those. I made them last year. There's some more of these candles, this little tabletop decor, this little bowl to put your jewelry in. I have these little picture frames. Pop out and put your picture in. These are cute for $1.25. These mugs are really nice. I like this one. Grandma mug. These are pretty. And we have these cute little birds as well. So these are new, very lightweight tumblers. And then like the knockoff Starbucks ones. And they have these little boxes and bags. More decor. Bags to make gifts. Put it all together. Alright, so the summer section over here, they have everything for your summer parties. So they have the watermelon one, little yogurt cups. I've seen these before. These are cute if you're having a party to put the snacks in for the kids. And they have the grapefruit. Even got down to the ice molds and the trays and the buckets. Butterflies and the beachy coral ones. And look at these buckets for $5. This is good to have for a party. Fill it with ice, put your drinks in, or water balloons. Got this container too, great for parties. And then the jug up there comes with cups. Those are all $5. And they have the bigger tub down here as well. So that's an awesome deal because you're not gonna find it any cheaper than that. And then all these items are $1.25. Great for summer parties. Okay guys, look how cute this little watermelon one is and the strawberry one. Which one do you guys like? I'm kind of digging the watermelon one. Then they have a flamingo. They have these buffet ice things that they blow up. This is really cute for $5. They have a palm tree and then the neon lighting and then the disco ball decor. If you're having a tiki party or summer party, they have these tiki cups. They have, look at these fun balloons. The watermelon, strawberry, grapefruit. They have the blow up inflatable toucan and pineapple. They have these cool glasses. They have the disco ball ones. They have the lanterns. It's really pretty. Famous little umbrella straws to make your drinks. This one's cute too. Look how adorable these little serving trays are. And all these fun straws. The little shot glasses, bowls and cups. More of these plates are so cute. Little orange slice, lemon, fun napkins. I like the flamingo ones. These little cups for ice cream or treats, knocking them down. And look at these big ice cream cones. Those are adorable too. Alright, graduation stuff. We have the mugs. We have the decor with the grad hat, tablecloths. They have cups, napkins, and the plates, and star plates. We have serving dishes, all the party decor. They have fans, lanterns, the beach ball, banner, confetti. If you want a photo booth, little props, more decor, tabletop decor, the cowbells, signs, and party poppers and bubbles. Okay, so Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, you can use this for all the parties. These are really cute, and these are only $1.25, and they have glitter in them. Oh my stars, hooray for USA. This is the champagne popper, so it looks like it's confetti will pop out of it. It's only $1.25, USA. See if I can turn it on. Probably can't because you have to pull the tag. But they have star one and the hearts. And they have different modes. They have these headbands as well. These tumblers are cute. And then they have like the little knockoff Stanleys. More decor. And sunglasses that light up. Mini flags. More confetti poppers. Thunder sticks. Banners. Bows. Signs. Garland. And these cute little doggies. And the gnomes. And then the glow sticks. You got bracelets and necklaces. So a lot of fun stuff. I think these are my favorite though. And I want to get one of these poppers. Hey guys, so sorry I'm in my car. I just wanted to show you I did get 2 of these mugs. I got the pink one and the blue one. I'm gonna put some Mother's Day decals on them to specialize them. They also have these cute picture frames that you can clip whatever, like a gift card, photo. So I'm gonna make a craft out of that. So watch for the video for that. And then I found these mugs too to put the decals on. So they're great for $1.25. They had a lot of cute stuff that you can make baskets with, a lot of fun summer stuff for parties or just to have nice decor. So hope you liked the video. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe and have a great day.